What's going on, everybody? Andy here with Bliss Cards. Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. It's snowy here this week in Tennessee and quite cold, and I've just got a little mail day that I thought I'd get through here today. I think I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cards. So just thought we'd open these and go through them. Most of these are going to be for my ongoing silver collection of Steph Curry and LeBron James. If you've been following along on the channel here, you know that I've been working on a lot of the Prism and Select Silvers for those two players, trying to pick up all the current stuff now that is quite affordable, including the base cards. Of course, that's tricky for Select because there's 3 or 4 base cards per set. And then this month here in January of 2025, we actually have NBA Prism dropping and WNBA Prism, which is where the Caitlin Clark and all of the other great rookies, Kate Martin and Cameron Brink and Angel Reese and Nika Mule. There's like all these players that are great. And so I'm really excited about those products. And then I believe WNBA Monopoly drops this month as well. So let me switch it over here and we're just going to dive into these. And I thought I'd just do these on camera with y'all so we could check them out. So hope everybody's having a great day. If this is your first time visiting the channel, would really love it if you'd hit that subscribe button down below and click that notification bell or drop a like on the video. It means a lot. We're just starting to grow to 100 subscribers pretty early here in the channel, trying to hit that first benchmark, and we would really appreciate your support. More importantly, though, drop me a comment or reach out over on Instagram at Bliss Trading Cards, because we're always, I always love talking cards with everybody. So here's the first card. Looks like this comes from, sorry, I got to get my mic here. There we go. I don't know what this is. It's kind of strange. Kobos Cards and Collectibles. Grab this on, that's a nice card. Little QR code there if you guys want. Grabbed all these cards on Instagram, so you guys can check them out. But I got this nice, what is that? The 2020-21 Concourse Steph Curry, and then you can see there, if you're new to these, the prism means it is the silver. That it can sometimes be kind of difficult to tell. Looks like this is in pretty good shape. He's got a little bit of a different haircut going there, which is kind of cool for this card. So I will do a pre-grade review of these. And of the cards I've been buying so far, I've only found, I think, like one that I didn't think was suitable to go into PSA. So that's really exciting. I check these cards pretty carefully before I buy them. And so let's move on to card number 2. Just working on a checklist here. Maybe I'll make another video here soon of the checklist so I can show you guys how that all works. I got some really good tips from baseball collector or baseball card collector Mike. He's got a really nice video about that. Oh, looks like I got another one of these. Sometimes I order 2 on accident, and sometimes if I find a really good deal, this is from a different seller, but the deal is good enough that it's like, well, I'll just check them both in hand, and then maybe I'll just send the best one, or maybe I'll send them both, and then we'll go from there. So there is card number 2. Looks like I'm getting a low battery warning on my camera. I'm trying a different camera today, which is a really nice SLR, but this is the problem, is the camera batteries are such a hassle. So I want to upgrade the video quality. I have the gear to do it, but then the friction for using it I find to be quite the pain in the butt. So if this thing dies on me, we'll hop over to the webcam for the video. As I said on a recent video, I'm trying really hard this year to not let the technology get in the way of just sharing this journey with you all. So trying to post a lot more and having a lot of fun doing it, honestly. So, okay, here we got, this one says Curry. And this is the, get this little piece of tape off here. This is the Prism Dominance. So if you watch my recent video, I really think the Prism inserts are pretty trash most of the time. and Select for that matter too. I think Optic from this era has got some of the coolest inserts with the lights out and the splash. But when I'm making this run, I find these so cheap that it was like, well, I might as well grab it. So this is also from 2020, 2021, but this is from Prism, not Select. So the same year. And this is, again, you see the prism down here. So that tells us that it's the silver or the hollow or the prism. They're all kind of the same thing, sort of stemming from the 90s refractor idea, which is cool. So this one looked really nice. Not seeing any immediate issues, which is nice. So we'll probably try to work through these. I like that he's in the blue uniform on these cards so far, which is also kind of cool. So we'll lay that there. All right. So yeah, drop me a comment down below what some of your favorite stuff cards are. He's got some huge cards out there, obviously. So I'm trying to work my way up. I'm really enjoying these. I feel like it's a nice step above base cards, but I can't really afford the gold stuff with any kind of consistency. It's too much. So we're just gonna live here for now. I did like this one. This is pretty cool. When I didn't know about this card, but when I was looking, I just found it. When I was doing some searches, same year, Select. This is card number 30, and it's called Numbers. I think that is the name of the insert. Really nice looking card there. And then see if I can get this out of the plastic. You can see it a little bit better. So yeah, there it is. Boom. And once again, we'll see the prism up there in the corner. So that kind of tells us that it is a silver indeed. I mean, you can also see that. What's up, Dono? You can see that on the cards here. Okay, thanks. You can see that on the card here, like the kind of rainbowish color. But yeah, really like that one compared to this one. So this is Prism. These are Select. So we got 3 left here, gang. Kids are home today from school because when it snows in Tennessee, we don't have like the infrastructure to take care of the snow and whatnot. So, all right, let's see what we got here. Little cardboard's always nice. Boom, pop that off. And oh, I like this one. This one's cool. Anybody know what that is? Just from the back. 2022 Prism inserts. This is the Prismatic. Love this card. This is where 2022-23 Prism is where I felt like the Prism inserts started to step up a little bit. Just really thought this was cool. I mean, I don't think it's like an amazing card, but compared to this, I think it's not close. So it was nice to see Prism start to get some more interesting inserts there. So keep it moving along. We got 2 more to go here. And got a nice note here. Andy, thanks for the buy. Hope you love the card. Awesome. That was really nice of them. Appreciate it. That yeah, it doesn't say the name of the eBay seller, else I would shout them out here. But we've got 2022, 2023. So 22, 23 Select. Also, no, sorry, 2022, 23. Yes, Select. There's the Prism. And this is card number 27. So I was looking for it. Oh, it's under here, I'll bet. So this will be the Concourse, which is the lowest tier. If you're new to Select products, this can be a little confusing. So they have basically now 4 levels. So cards 0 to 99, if I'm not mistaken, are Concourse, which is what this says here. You'll see at the top it says Concourse if that zooms in. Right there at the very top, Concourse. Then cards 100 to 200 are, starts with a P. I'll get it. 1 second. And then cards 200 to 300 are Courtside. And then recently, I think it was just in 23, they now have cards 300 and above are mezzanine, which I was asking somebody about this recently, and supposedly the court side is still like kind of the card to get. I can tell you from my eBay searches, that's true. The courtside cards in silvers, for me, somebody hunting these across many years, don't pop up nearly as often as the concourse and gosh, I'm not thinking of the second name. Crush me in the comments, drop it down below. Concourse and it's right on the tip of my tongue. I'll get it. But so there's 4 base cards basically in modern select, but for most years there's only 3. The mezzanine cards 300 and above just started a year or 2 ago. And those are pretty cool because they're kind of almost like portrait cards. The photo is like more close up and zoomed in. So this is the 22-23 select concourse prism for Steph. So it's his lowest of the levels there. So yeah, pretty cool. And one more. So yeah, once again, if you guys are enjoying the video, would really appreciate it if you would drop me a note below. Yep, there goes the camera. So let me just switch this out. Yeah. Oh, we've got it right there. We're good. Say hello. And I'm going to keep working on this tech to get it figured out. But like I said, I'm not going to let it slow us down here. These days, the iPhone and the webcam does pretty well. I would just love to get that nice crisp 4K quality from my nice SLR. Oh, look at that. So just got done explaining all this. And what do we have here? Not another copy of that 22-23 select concourse. So these two and these two have duplicates in the silver. So I ordered a couple of them. And I will put these under the magnifying glass, see how they do. So let me know what your favorite one is. Here we've got these 2 concourses. We've got the 2 select concourses, the numbers insert here from 2021. And then over in Prism, that's all select by Panini, of course. And then this is Panini Prism with 2 different Prism inserts. We've got the Dominance insert and the Prismatic insert. So, all right, gang, I will be back with more very, very soon. But that's going to do it for today. Just a quick mail day here at the end of the week. Hope you're having a great day, and we will talk to you soon. Take care.